Hi guys! Welcome to Glam. My name is Lay, and for today's video, this is about eye makeup tutorial. So, as you can see, wala pa akong any eyeshadow or anything on my eyelids, but my base is done. Ang gagawin natin look for today is purple glam makeup. Gagamitin natin yung mga purples around this area. Nalapit ako na onte para mas kita nyo kung ano yung gagawin natin. So, let's start. First, I'm going to use a fluffy brush. Ganitong brush. For my crease. Gagamit muna ako ng transition color. So, for the transition, I'm going to use this one. Starting from the outer corner, i-blend ko siya papasok. So, yeah, using the same brush, I'll just use this one. Then next, I'm going to use a smaller brush one for the crease. And then I'm going to use this one. Liquid eyeshadow. This one is from Careline. This is from the makeup line of Andrea Brillantes. Yung Blight Cosmetics niya. I'm going to take a very, very tiny brush like this one. Here. I'm going to dip my brush here. And then I'm going to try to draw a line here. So now I'm going to apply some eyeliner. I'm going to use this one. Then I'm going to use this one again. And then highlight. Over here. So I'm gonna finish this off with the lipstick using this one from MAC. The shade is Rebel. So we're pretty done here na. Just the final look. You can use any palette that you want as long as they have purples in it. So in the camera, I can see that the lipstick looks a little bit more red than purple, but in real life, it's a little bit more purplish magenta. So I hope you like this look, guys, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!